Hey guys, Levi for the Rag Company, and today I wanted to answer the question, what is a fallout remover or an iron remover and why do I need it? Well, a fallout or iron remover is basically a chemical that is designed to be sprayed on a car that is designed to break down ferrous material. So if you have iron droplets all over your vehicle, or perhaps more likely on your wheels from the brake dust from the calipers and the rotors, this product will go in and help dissolve that easily and effectively without harming the actual surface. Now, the main product is known as thioglycolate, and it is an acid that when it comes in contact with a ferrous material, it changes color and it turns to a purpley red, giving what we refer to it as a bleeding effect. So you can use this safely and effectively on not only your wheels, but also your paint. The reason we do this is to chemically decontaminate a paint surface in preparation for paint correction or coating. Now on wheels, they can be used almost every week to remove brake dust, or maybe on those cars that you didn't wash the wheels every week and it's kind of built up, it can be used to remove all that old iron deposits that have been stuck on a wheel. It is a very effective cleaner and it is safe. Many people wonder why it smells so bad. Well, it's the sulfate in it that causes it to stink. Now, many companies have created other scents to put on top of it to help limit and lighten the smell because they don't smell that great. But all the iron removers and fallout removers on the market include that main thioglycolate active ingredient. So you should be able to always receive the same results of a red bleeding effect or purple bleeding effect on the surface of whatever you sprayed that product on. That is normal. And it's a great tool to add to your arsenal for weekly cleanups on your wheels or yearly or bi-yearly decontamination of your paint. Spraying a fallout remover on a coated vehicle every 6 months actually benefits the coating by cleaning all the contaminants that maybe have stuck or bonded to that coating, thereby reinvigorating all those hydrophobic properties that the coating originally possessed when it was first installed. Well, there you have it. Now you know the benefits of a fallout remover and what thioglycolate does to the surface of a vehicle and how best to use it. It is a safe, effective tool, but it kind of stinks. Now, if you have any more questions, make sure you put them below and we will be happy to answer them. Well, hopefully you found this FAQ helpful, and make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And for more videos, stay tuned right here at the Rag Company FAQ channel. Thanks for watching.